everybody, it's Bunny, and I've got this knife in my hand, so you know what that means. It's time for us to tackle this beautiful mountain of sassy swamp family mail. You guys, I am so excited and I am so ready to see what is in all of these amazing boxes. It has been way too long since we've opened the sassy mail. Well, you know what? We did the 90s mail unboxings, but we haven't just opened like all the swamp family mail in so long. So sit down, grab your popcorn. These are always historically long videos, and let's see how many boxes we can open up today. So before we start slicing open the boxes, I just wanted to say thank you so much to everybody who's been sending me so many super sweet letters lately. Ever since the Shane collab, I've been getting more supportive letters than ever. These are the ones I haven't opened yet this week, but thank you guys so much. If y'all have been here for past mail opening videos, then you guys know that I have all of these binders like this. Every drawing, every letter, every envelope I have kept forever in my mail binders. Which one are we gonna open first? I lost the knife already. That's never a good phrase to hear. I've lost the knife. Oh, here it is. It's literally right in front of my face. Okay, which one should we open first? Wait, let's let Dogman pick. Pick a box, any box. Which one should I pick?
Silver. Not silver.
This one?
Metallic, yeah.
Shiny! I was looking at that one too. I love this color. Okay, so this comes from Christie in Oklahoma. And wait, can I wheel up to you to show you these stickers? Because look at how cute these unicorn stickers are. It's covered in, oh my gosh, in unicorn duct tape. That's so cute. I don't know if I've told you guys this yet or not, but I have recently rekindled my love of the color pink. It was my favorite color, like all through high school. And then I just kind of like decided I didn't like the color pink anymore. And now I'm loving it again. What can you say? You go through phases. This doesn't look safe, honestly. I hate cutting open the cute unicorns. I feel like I'm killing them. I can hear them screaming. Screaming. Ooh. Okay. Oh my gosh. I was at the dollar store the other day and I saw these and I wanted one so bad. So we're gonna test it out right now. It's a slingshot dino. Okay. I'm gonna slingshot it towards you. Is that okay? Towards the camera. Like. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's like, it feels so interesting, like snot, but not. Okay, slingshot dino. Let's give it a go. Oh, I look like I'm gonna rip its head off. Okay.
That was great.
That was great! Oh my God. It was everything I had hoped for and more. Okay, please read letter off camera. Okay, but it says items can be shown on camera. Ooh, what? Oh my gosh, we have a baby. A baby in a beautiful lavender dress. Look, she's got blushy cheeks. Hello, hello, baby. I feel like this is a Samantha. Looks like your name shall be Samantha. Wait, you're like just the hand off screen. You're just trying to enjoy your milkshake. And I'm like, here, have a baby. Oh my gosh, wait, you're gonna love this. Here's something special, Snoopy.
Oh, nice.
He even has his Snoopy hat on today. I've never told you guys, but Dogman loves Snoopy. So this is so cool. They sent me all these old treasures, a photograph. We've got like some really awesome old comic books and coloring books. Thank you so much, Christie. That is like a bunch of awesome stuff. I feel like I'm gonna have to enjoy even more of it off screen. Let's see. Oh, I handed you my knife. It's okay, we'll try this box cutter that we can open both Doritos and boxes with. Okay, we're gonna open this tiny one because it has a really cute brown mouse on it. Oh my gosh, and a wise owl. And it costs 19 cents. So many things are going on with this box. This comes from Rachel. So look at this bag of creepy babies that Rachel sent me. This is an actual treasure trove. Look, this one's kind of like, it has like a shine to it. So cool. And then we have this one that's like a half of a doll. Her eyes blink and she's wearing like a tutu. These are so awesome. And we have some frozen Charlottes in here. And a bunch of arms and legs, because you never know when you're gonna need a spare at any time. Gotta have some legs. Also in here, we have this gorgeous wrapped box. It has a little frozen Charlotte on the top, and it says to Bunny. And this is the kind of stuff that I hate to rip open because it's just so pretty. I feel like the wrapping paper she used is an actual like page from a book. And now I'm ruining it. It's so pretty. All right, what do we have in the box? Ooh, we have more paper. What? That's awesome. Look, it's actually like an old tin that she turned into a necklace with a frozen Charlotte on the inside. What are we gonna open next? Jenga. No. Ah! I saw like a couple of them this time that said fragile, and so I'm scared to Jenga. This comes from Dan, and it says Florida, but it looks like it also comes from somewhere else. Oh yeah, doesn't it? Oh, it says Thailand Post. Just like excited about the newspaper in the box. Ooh, look at that. I like created a funky box envelope. Tiger Kingdom. I wanna go there. Okay, what do we have in here? Ooh, we have dried durian. No way, I almost just bought a bag just like this, no joke. Look at that, it's so pretty. Ooh, and it's full of treats. Let's see. I feel like I should hand this to you because I don't want to put it on the floor. Oh my gosh,
was
look.
One of those fruits.
It was?
The stinky fruit.
It's stinky?
Yeah, it stinks.
It looks tasty though.
Yeah,
We have all kinds of, oh my gosh, it is. It's all treats from Thailand. This is so awesome. It's a big sheet of seaweed snack. We have a coconut milk soup, a really awesome journal with like a Thailand coin on the top. That is awesome. Wait, I feel like we have to unroll the sea scroll. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. It's like an art print on a scroll. I'm loving it. All of a sudden on McDonald's, I'm just saying I'm loving it. This comes from Haley in Australia. Ooh, it looks like we've got homemade worms made of paper. Woo, love it. Oh, there's a card. These were porcelain dolls that were given to her as a child, but they sit in a box, sadly, in a cupboard. And she's saying that she thinks I will give them the love and attention they deserve. You're right. I'm like an orphanage for sweet little babies here. Ooh, they're so cute. I feel like this is like 90s fashion. Look at that bow. I want that bow. Can I borrow that? I would also wear this dress, 10 out of 10. Loving it. Yes, thank you. And we got a little bitty baby in here too. This is like a miniature one. Oh, and she's got a sassy bun. Look at that, so cute. We are gonna open this one. Ooh, I started to cut it already. This one comes from Megan in Ohio. Let's get to slicing. I love ripping paper. This is my favorite. I love when they're in paper, so I can just, it's like Christmas. And let's see, what's in the box? Oh, we have children, and I am excited. Look at these gorgeous little sweet babies. Ooh, this one has a chippy head, and this one has no head at all. Oh, and only one leg. Jenga. Okay, nope. Jenga. Okay, this comes from, is it Brianna or Brianna? Is there a way to say it both ways? Like just is it like Ariana and Ari, I don't know.
However she wants it said.
I like that answer. Okay, this comes from, ooh, South Dakota, a state that I always hope to visit one day. One day I'll get there. Just want to go to Deadwood. How close are you to Deadwood? Let me know. You probably told me in a letter because I feel like everyone from South Dakota who is a Swamp family member knows that I'm like ready to come to your state. Ooh! Ready for Halloween. I've always wanted one of these. It's like a silicone. See, I'm wanting to say clone lately. I'm suddenly just obsessed with clones. conspiracy theory, but it is a silicone. Look how ridiculous does my like traveling in a chair look. Beautiful silicone blood choker. Oh my gosh, I've got straws. Must mean there's cups in here. Does it mean there's cups? Ooh, shouldn't have abandoned my knife. Wait, I need the stop struggling box cutter. Does it keep making that noise? It's terrible. Ooh, wait, was this supposed to be for the 90s video? I still do have some 90s boxes separated out, but look, this is so awesome. We've got Rocco and the Rugrats and Hey Arnold and the Angry Beavers and Cat Dog. We've got them all. Oh, I am loving this. It's like a skull, but it almost looks like you could write with chalk on it, or am I making that up? Does that look like a chalkboard? That looks like a chalkboard.
I see it.
As long as one other person sees it, then you're not crazy. Oh, ASMR. Thank you so much. Now I'm stuck in it and I don't know what to do. So you know what? Let's cut open this because it's like 3 things in one thing. And this comes from Anna. Oh my gosh. This looks like an awesome dress. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. Ooh, and it smells nice too. Is it strange to say I love how the mail smells? Is that creepy? Is that like a creepy vibe? It's like every package smells like a different like house or something. It's just so interesting. I love this. I feel like I can wear this for any occasion. Okay, gotta open the other part. Okay, the top is the letter. I see that. I'm scared I'm gonna cut into something vital. You know what? I feel like you're gonna have to help me cut this one. We're gonna cut open the other parts later because I feel like I want to cut that carefully with scissors. It feels like I'm gonna cut into something vital. This comes from, I think you pronounce it China in, where's MA? Is that Maryland? Maryland. I need to go back to 5th grade geography class. No, you learned that so much sooner than 5th grade. Oh my God. I have always wanted one of these types of Furbies and I never got one. These are, they're called it's like something that sounds like it would be emoji, but it's not. But these came out in 2005 and I never had one of these. You guys know that I've got like this rolling joke that I'm the retirement home for Furbies, but I always wanted one of these little guys and I never had one. I'm trying to force his eyes open. I feel like we're gonna have to do a whole video one day about the Furby retirement home. I feel like I need to make a little sign, but I started keeping them all on this like one shelf in my room and it's just a room of Furbies. Oh, do we have the other half of the Anna letter? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Is it a Pikachu? Huh. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. It's a little Pikachu purse. Thank you so much, Anna. This was the other half of it besides the letter. It's so cute. Oh, it feels like there's something in there actually. You unzip the tail. Oh my gosh. It's a Shopkins Wonder Ball. It actually has chocolate and candy in it. All right, we are opening this magically decorated gator box. Look at that. Ooh, that's an extra sassy gator. Okay, this says please read on camera. So, oh, his name is Iceman. Did I just say that? Did I just predict that? Okay, so this is from Genevieve. Oh my gosh, okay, it says, Dear Bunny, today I have a mystery unboxing for you. In each small box, you will find different kinds of little action figures that I've collected since I was 5. This is amazing. Okay, look, oh, what is that? Oh, it's a neck pillow. Oh, that's amazing. Look, now I'm comfortable and ready to open more mail. Okay, what is this guy? It's like Ogre Man. Oh my God, it's like an Ewok. That's hilarious. He's a bobblehead. A 2-headed dragon. Wait, these all have to be from something. That was a really profound statement. These all have to be from something, like just not random. Oh, it's the Avatar dude. Do they have names? If they do, I don't know. Oh, we got a winged monkey. This is amazing. You guys, this is like a treasure trove. Who is that? Why do you have car shoes? Just amazing things that I discover with you guys. I don't even know what some things are. I've got to find out. Oh, we have a gator eye. Look at that. Love it. I feel like I'm like, oh my gosh. Oh, I don't want to show, it's a letter. It's a letter on the back. That's so cute. What do we have in here? Ooh, we've got a My Little Unicorn. Look at that, he's like from a different planet. I don't know. You guys always tell me about the different My Little Ponies that I get. Y'all always know the names of every pony. Oh, what is this one? Okay, we'll open this one too because it says doll inside. Doll inside. All right, I've got 3. We're gonna roll with these. This one says, please open on camera more than once, and it comes from Alyssa. Ooh, it says sippy sippy on it. Ooh, ooh. It's pants filled with beans. This is like, what, oh, why is this so soothing to me? I'm sure the letter explains a distinct purpose, but right now I'm just enjoying these pants full of beans. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. They're hot cold packs and a headband. It's supposed to help with like migraines and like, you know, if you're not feeling so good, you got an ache or a pain. This is amazing. All right, here is a new doll for your collection. May she forever add to the faces in your background that freak out your subscribers. This is from Jennifer and Jesse. Oh, we should name her. This is so cool. I love her. She's gonna fit right in. Look at that. I almost want to leave her head how it was turned. Let me take you a note off your head. There you go.
Show starts in 8 minutes. Yum, yum. It's time for a tasty and refreshing snack.